Good news about Jesus as can to Luke chapter 23 from verse 1 to verse 12. Jesus go in front of Pilate. Then the whole of them get up and take Jesus carrying go to Pilate. They start tell beer lie on Jesus. Say, we catch the man here try to make the people them go against the government. In one if it tap pay tax to Caesar the Roman ruler and claim say him a Christ, but him a king. Pilate asked Jesus say, are you the Jew them king? Jesus answer him say, are you say so? Then Pilate tell the head priest them and the crowd say, we don't find no reason for charge that man here. But then still a push. Him rile up the people all over Judea with what him teach. He start in a Galilee and come all the way up here so with it. Jesus go in front of Herod. After Pilate hear this, he asks if the man come from Galilee. As him find out that Jesus they under Herod rule, him send Jesus go to Herod, where did in a Jerusalem them time there. When Herod see Jesus, he happy so till, cause for one long time, him did want to see him. From what Herod hear about Jesus, Herod hope to see Jesus work some kind of miracle. He asked him whole heap of question, but Jesus no answer none of them. The head priest them and the law teacher them, they turn up there and a curse said Jesus do whole heap of bad sin. After Herod and his soldier them laugh after Jesus and turn him make pricky, then dress him up in a one pretty robe and send him go back to Pilate. That day there, Herod and Pilate turn big friend, cause before that time them did hate them one another. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God